Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2024 Jeep Wagoneer? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Power Distribution Center Fuse Box. The Power Distribution Center fuse box contains essential fuses and relays for major vehicle functions. It is usually located under the hood for easy access and protection. The PDC helps manage and distribute electrical power to critical systems. It ensures the vehicle's electrical components function properly and prevents circuit overloads. Interior Power Distribution Fuse Box. The Interior Power Distribution Center fuse box is a crucial component in a vehicle's electrical system, housing fuses and relays that protect and distribute power to various electrical circuits. It ensures efficient operation of essential functions like lighting, infotainment, and climate control by regulating voltage flow. Located within the cabin, it provides easy access for maintenance and troubleshooting. The Interior Power Distribution Center enhances vehicle safety and reliability by preventing electrical overloads and short circuits. Rear Power Distribution Fuse Box. The rear power distribution fuse box is responsible for managing and protecting the electrical circuits located at the rear of the vehicle. It distributes power to essential components like taillights, rear defrosters, and power liftgates, ensuring efficient functionality. Designed for safety, it prevents electrical overloads and short circuits by housing fuses and relays. Its strategic placement allows for easy access during maintenance and repairs.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.